Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to integrate teamwork.com with Salesforce for enhanced CRM. So let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your teamwork.com and Salesforce accounts. Make sure you have administrative privileges in both platforms, as this is a critical requirement to facilitate the integration. This will allow us to access all the necessary settings and options we need for a successful integration. Now that we've done that, let's navigate to the integration section in teamwork.com. This is typically found in the settings menu. The reason we do this is to find the Salesforce integration option and initiate the connection process. This is where the magic begins, as we start to merge the power of these two platforms. Next up, click on the Add Integration button and select Salesforce from the list of options. You'll then be prompted to enter your Salesforce login credentials. This step is important because it establishes a secure link between the two platforms, ensuring that your data can be shared safely and seamlessly. Once you've successfully logged into Salesforce via teamwork.com, you'll need to map your data fields. Let me explain why this matters. By mapping your data fields correctly, you ensure that the right information from teamwork.com is synced with the corresponding fields in Salesforce. This helps us because it ensures data consistency and accuracy across both platforms. Next, you'll want to set your sync preferences. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You can choose whether to sync your data manually or automatically, and how often this sync should occur. Setting these preferences tailors the integration to match your business workflows and data needs. Finally, click on Save and Test to complete the integration. The system will then perform a test sync to ensure everything is working as expected. This is crucial because it allows us to troubleshoot any potential issues before they impact your CRM operations. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated teamwork.com with Salesforce for enhanced CRM. By following these steps, you are enabling a more streamlined, efficient, and powerful customer relationship management system. This integration will allow you to leverage the best of both platforms, bringing your CRM to a whole new level. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep optimizing your CRM for better results.